Hi team, it's Lara here. Vlogmas. Yay, I haven't had my coffee yet. It's Alex, I'm filming in for Lara. Filming in, hey, I didn't even mean to do that. We are in the car, Lara's driving, hence why she's not filming. Going to Lara's cousin's house to help him move. And it's pissing down rain and I haven't had my coffee yet. So I'm gonna do that while we drive. So we'll talk soon, friends.
Right, we have officially finished moving my cousin into his new abode. So he's now living in town, which is fun. It's gonna be good. There wasn't actually much, whoa, look out phone. There wasn't actually much left to do. We slept in and then I was like, oh no, we have to go help Kyle move. And then by the time we got there, the majority of it was done. We just helped unpack some boxes, set up an Xbox and put some books on a shelf. And then we went to lunch. So that was really lovely. It is a very rainy day here, as you can see. Oh, rain. Maybe you can't, but it's rainy. So I think there's gonna be a lot of indoor activity for the day. It's also a weekend, so I'm very tentative to do any form of shopping things because it's Christmas time and Christmas rush will be hectic. So I'm gonna wait till tomorrow or Tuesday to get any of that done. So today, however, I am going to do one of the things that's been on my list for a while and I now have the time to do it, which is doing a wardrobe declutter. So I'm a huge fan of my minimalist wardrobe. So I'm going to go through and have a look. I've realized that there are a bunch of things that I don't wear that I'm going to declutter. I'm going to go and make my house a little bit more presentable for filming. And then we're going to do, today's vlog will be a wardrobe declutter. All right, team, let's get cracking. So I have a capsule wardrobe and my hair is so frizzy because it's wet. Just ignore that. So that means that I have a pretty select amount of stuff. This is our wardrobe and only this, that way, is mine. But even in this, I think there's stuff that I don't use and I don't wear and I'm unlikely to use and wear. So I kind of want to go through, make myself a really decent maybe pile, and if I don't grab out that maybe pile to actually donate, I want to do a really good thorough clean out, because at the start of the year I was only using these wooden hangers, well, when we first moved in, which was August, to store my stuff, and now as you can see there's a lot of like these black ones spread throughout, and that's not even counting the stuff that's dirty and not hung up. So I want to have like a decent look through of this stuff, the stuff that's going to go into storage, the stuff that I'm immediately like, you know what, that can go, and see what's left. Okay, so now that I have everything kind of like in a pile, this is literally like all of my clothes, by the way. Apart from lies, I have to also take out underwear and shorts and stuff. I'll do that in a second. So just with hanging clothes to begin with, that's where I'm gonna start. I'm going to look through my pile and I'm going to take out the stuff, immediately put back in the stuff that I know I like, leave out the stuff that I'm umming and ahhing over. So here we go. This play suit I get a lot of wear out of, really good for work, back in it goes. This hoodie I always like the idea of, I don't use it, so I'm going to take that out. Do really like this. This is kind of like a little cute play suit, fancy going out dress. Those things, confident and staying. I do really like cropped t-shirts, they're always gonna stay. Queen mode shirt, love staying. Keep. I do wear this a lot and I have to remember that when I'm not wearing it at the time, that this does get a lot of like airtime. This jumper I used to wear all the time and I don't really wear that. I haven't worn that much this season, like maybe once. This might be a good maybe pile one, so I'm gonna take this off and put it in the maybe pile. Same with this, I used to wear it all the time, but I'm really not at the moment. So I might put this in maybe two. This one, straight up going, never wear it, was a random impulse purchase. Wear it all the time. I'm going to put this on a wooden hanger. Haven't really worn yet, used to be a shirt for work purposes, but working from home I don't wear it that much, so I'm going to put it in storage and see if it comes out again. Same with this singlet, also don't wear it that much. Crops T-shirt, wear all the time, wear all the time. Don't really wear that much, but used to. Gonna go into storage. Wear constantly. Was my wedding crop. And white singlet, gonna keep. So the other thing that I know I ended up gaining were a couple of like, get ready in the morning, like attire. This pair of pants is one of them. They're gonna go because I don't need that many. So these are my morning clothes. These are pants. Is there anything in here that I want to rejig? I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pairs of bottoms is not that bad really when you think about it. So they can all stay. So next is sportswear, crops and shorts. This one's tricky because this year I haven't really been training that much. So I have 3 pairs of long pants, which is that one, and the ones I'm currently wearing. Don't mind all the like dog hair on my stuff, that's just kind of a constant state of being, I guess. And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of shorts, 1 pair of mids. Which honestly, for the amount I train, I mean, that's probably a good amount to have still. I haven't added anything into these piles. I haven't brought in any more shorts, any more crops. So it's just use, I suppose, and this year's a bad one to judge it from. So at the moment, I have these things that are going to go into storage. I have some things that have gone completely away, so they're going to go to the op shop. In an op shop clearance I'm going to do tomorrow. I'm going to do a house declutter tomorrow. Also, looking at how much like washing is accumulating in my washing basket, having now put it all into the same spot, because we haven't done it in a little minute because it's been raining, and our lines are outside to hang them up. We don't have a dryer, so I might have to do another little trip to the laundromat and get those done. And then I can actually do a proper all done. Hi! Then I can finish off my declutter vlog in down. I can actually finish the declutter vlog and piles. So I might actually do that. You know what's smart? What's smart is to wash them here and then go there to do the drying part. So I'm gonna put on some load washing. So the one annoying thing I've now realized about this is I forgot to put it on like a short cycle. So now I have like 3 hours to wait. It's gonna be a late night laundromatting. God, I hope they're open late. I should look that up. Okay, Alex's stuff is all put away, so this is kind of my remaining things. That's the stuff that's already in piles from before. So everything in here I'm gonna keep. I'll go through them soon because they get used a bunch. These 2 shirts are gonna stay. And this one is going to go into the giveaway pile because I have enough t-shirts to train in, so that can go in the giveaway pile. And this one's gonna go into storage. It's another dress, but I have since bought this dress as a nice lightweight fabric rather than this one, which gets pretty sticky for summertime. So that one's gonna go in storage. If I use it again, great. If not, whatever. Okie dokie. I have gotten out my remaining wooden hangers. I'm pretty confident all this will fit on them with a few to spare, which is awesome because this in theory should be all of my stuff I own now. Pair of togs or swimmers that I also use as a kind of like a shirt, a nice going out shirt, gets a lot of wear, cropped shirts because that's what I live my life in, let's be real, my new long morning dress, a short t-shirt dress, and 1 additional pair of pants. Two left over, haha. done. So we have pants and bottoms, and then up the back is just kind of like everyday cleaning the house wear and like hiking and stuff. And then we have activewear and activewear shirts and swimming and bandanas. And then over here we have all of my hanging clothes, all that now fit on their wooden hangers, and that's it. Done. So that is my capsule wardrobe resorted. I might do another video and do a couple of my like capsule wardrobe counts. I'd be curious to know how many of each thing I have. Oh, I have to put my 2 leftover wooden hangers in there too. You can see all of our like jeans hanging over stuff in the background because I haven't been to a laundromat in a minute and couldn't quite figure out how to time the dryer. All right, team, I'll see you tomorrow. Merry Vlogmas.